Alright, so your needle, let's talk about that a little bit. I've put this in my Dremel tool, and I like to spin it up to see if it's nice and straight. As you can see, there's hardly any run out on that needle. They do bend, they aren't 100%. You won't chuck it up properly. There's tolerances in your equipment, but that's a straight needle, and that's what you want. I run it in this tool, and I run Scotch-Brite over that to make sure it's nice and clean. Alrighty, that's the needle. We have the slide. Now these slides, they come with a Teflon type coating on them that wears off over the years, as you can see. And also, by the way, we want our needle clip in the middle position. Let me just get this out of the machine. Middle needle clip position is what we want. Unless you're at the coast, then you can drop this clip by one. You want to enrich in the circuit a little bit down at the coast, closer to sea level, depending on your requirements. The lower this clip goes, the richer you make the circuit. The higher it goes, the leaner you make the circuit. So we're going to keep it in the middle. We're in Johannesburg, 640 meters above sea level. This works perfectly well with stock pilot jet, which is a 32.5, and a whatever your main jet needs to be for the pipe you're running and the mods that you have. Now there are two of these little plastic washers, which you will see here, and internally we will have one washer below, which sits in there. I'm not going to put it in now. Holding the phone and the camera and trying to record is not good. And then one